In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep status green in Microsoft Teams. First, open your Microsoft Teams account and make sure you're signed in. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu where you can view your current status. If your status is not already set to available, click on the current status and select available from the drop-down. This is the setting that shows others you're online and ready to respond. It's a simple change, but it's important to understand that manually setting your status to available does not keep it green forever by itself. Teams still pays attention to your device activity. To stay available for longer in Teams, you'll need to keep your computer awake. If your computer goes to sleep, Teams may automatically change your status. You'll also want to stay active on your device by using your mouse or keyboard and keeping apps open as needed. Even small signs of activity can help Teams recognize that you're still present. Another helpful tip is to avoid locking your screen for long periods, because that can also cause your status to change from green to away. If you want, you can also set a status message. This part is optional, but it can be useful if you want teammates to see a short note alongside your availability. To do that, click Set Status Message. A text field will open where you can type your message. This could be something simple and work-related, depending on what you want others to know. Under that message box, you'll see a drop-down labeled Clear Status Message After. Click that field and choose how long you want the message to stay visible. The available options include never, today, 1 hour, 4 hours, or this week. After choosing the timing that works best for you, click Done to save it. This gives you a little more control over how you appear in Teams, both with your green availability indicator and with any message you want to display. Just remember, if your goal is to keep that green status visible, the key factors are setting your status to available, keeping your computer awake, staying active on your device, and avoiding leaving your screen locked for too long. And that's it. You now know how to keep your status green in Microsoft Teams.